Hello everyone and welcome to my tutorial on how to make a crochet penguin. For this, the materials you're going to need are double knit wool in yellow, white and a random third colour, stuffing, a 3.5mm hook, a wool needle, stitch marker, safety eyes in their backs, and for optional items, pliers and a keyring. To begin with, we'll start with the head and body. For round 1, you'll do 6 single crochets into a magic ring. For round 2, you'll do 6 increases, leaving you with 12 single crochets. For round 3, you'll do 1 single crochet and 1 increase 6 times, leaving you with 18 single crochets. From rounds 4 to 11, you'll do 18 single crochets all the way around. I recommend that you pause here so you can complete rounds 4 to 11. Then you'll add the safety eyes in between rows 6 and 7. For round 12, you'll do 1 single crochet and 1 decrease 6 times, leaving you with 12 single crochets. Then you'll pause here to stuff. For round 13, you'll do 6 decreases, then you'll slip stitch and fasten off. Using a wool needle, you'll sew up the hole in the bottom. Moving on to the wings, remember to make 2 of these. Using your third colour of choice, you'll chain 5. Then starting in the second chain from the hook, you'll do 3 half double crochets, a slip stitch, and then you'll fasten off. Moving on to the beak. Using yellow wool for round 1, you'll do 6 single crochets into a magic ring. Then for round 2, you'll do 6 single crochets, slip stitch and then fasten off. Moving on to the final part, the belly. For round 1, using white wool, you'll do 6 single crochets into a magic ring. And for round 2, you'll do 6 increases, leaving you with 12 single crochets, then you'll slip stitch and fasten off. Now onto the assembly. You'll start by attaching the belly below the eyes. Then you'll attach the beak just between the eyes. Then finally, the wings will be attached to each side of the body. And as an optional feature, you can attach a keyring to the top of its head. And now you're all finished. So thank you for watching, and please remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be uploading new crochet tutorials weekly. If you have any ideas for crochet patterns or crochet tutorials you would like me to make, I'm always open to suggestions if you just leave a comment down below.